So check it out, YouTube. So I'm really excited for this one because this is my first dessert video. So I'm gonna whip up a nice dessert. It's gonna be for all occasions. So say your partner's working out late and you know they text you, say, hey, I'm on my way home. You wanna give them a nice little surprise. It's gonna be a quick little dessert that you could put together in less than no time. That's gonna blow their minds. So let me walk you through it. You're gonna need a banana, as ripe as you can get it, an apple, some cinnamon, some coronation milk, some whipped butter, some cream cheese, an Oreo ice cream or vanilla ice cream, and some chocolate sauce. All right, so all this hot and ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put the banana in, just like that. Let that fry till it's nice and golden brown. Shouldn't take long, like a minute, probably 45 seconds, depending on how hot the oil is. Alright, so now our banana got a nice golden color. Go ahead and take him out. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and plate our desserts. So we're gonna start with some homemade icing. Right in the center. And that's some beautiful icing. And pastry chefs, this is your guys' forte, but I'm gonna venture out there a little bit. Put a lot of icing on there. Alright, then you're gonna come with your fried banana. Just place it in the middle like that. Then you're gonna get a scoop of ice cream. You could use vanilla. And you could use vanilla. I'm using Oreo ice cream in this case because I love me some Oreos. Just gonna put that right on top right there. Alright, you get your candied apples. Oh my God, these are so good. Candied apples, right there. See all the sugar being crystallized right there. Candied apples right there. You top it off with an Oreo. And then you get your chocolate sauce and make a nice glaze. Oh, look at that. Now, you're gonna top it off with your cinnamon. And sprinkle some cinnamon all over the plate. All over the plate. And I just want to give you guys a quick reminder of why I decided to do this channel. It's so you guys could know how to make restaurant style quality food from home, like fine dine restaurant style food from the comfort of your own kitchen. Because I work in fine dine upscale restaurants, and you know, it's rather than because of the whole COVID situation now, you know, you can't go out to eat or it's not comfortable going out, you don't want to risk it. So you could stay home and prepare your nice meals, and I'm just going to give you guys some pointers and, you know, some tips on how to do it. So it's not that difficult, all right?